soon 11 o'clock in the evening, and we are in the Plaza de la Villa or Vilafranca del Penedès. And here we see a big difference between the Castellers from this town and those from other towns in Catalonia. This is not the Diada Castellera what we see tonight, but look, the square. This square is just full of people, as if the true exhibition was now already. It certainly isn't. It's on Sunday when these people, now dressed up in just any clothes good for practice, will make an attempt to build a human tower of 10 levels, and I think that is what they are practicing for here, because this is already a really tall 3D something, a 3 by something, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so there will be 8 levels here. And that is during the Assange. Somebody in the background screamed "Press the no." Yeah. This is a Press the no. It's a 3 by 9, as if nothing at all. Wow. There is an applause. Thank you, Vilafranca. I was scared that you wouldn't be in there. This was a really nice Press the no. And as we can see, it is really light in the top levels. So I guess we're not too far from the unit tower of 10 levels, which we all hope to see here on Sunday on the Diada de Sant Félix, the Festa Mayor of Vilafranca del Penedès. We are in Catalonia.